What's up, YouTube? Back at you guys with another video. Today we're gonna be patching up the radiator bracket just so we can get the new radiator in, and I don't want it looking all crazy and stuff. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and patch that boy up. I could have got a new bracket, but you know, last minute things, so we're just gonna go on and do that. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that post notification bell, that way you know every time we drop new videos. And we'll see y'all right after this intro. Peace.
She said, hey mom, day job, I don't feel it. I need race car, top down to match my ceiling. I don't have none.
Alright guys, now that we got that out the way, let me show y'all what we got going on. And if you're familiar with me working on this car, we already treated like all the rust and stuff. I could cut this out some more. That's just dirt. I could cut it out some more for the piece, but I'm just gonna weld this on there and then fix it from the bottom. So another problem I ran into, oh yeah, I want the flat side to be facing the bottom, because you don't want diamond plate showing, you know, on the bottom. That's gonna look weird. But another issue I ran into, I can't find my welding hood. So those of y'all that don't know what that is, that's your helmet to weld with. So I'm thinking I'm gonna just tack it on. I can tack it with my eyes closed. I was gonna weld it all the way up, but I can tack it on with my eyes closed. And then I only got one plug out here, which that light is plugged up to. So it's gonna be dark. As of right now, I don't have no way to show or let y'all see me doing that. Let me see if we can figure something out. Alright guys, we couldn't find an extra extension cord, so this is as much light as we got. Show them down here. You can get closer. So we're gonna tack it right there, 4 corners, and I'm gonna do this with my eyes closed because I can't find my welding hood. So don't do this at home, guys. I've been welding for a while. I know how to do this, but don't hurt yourselves. Alright, Samari, look at the screen on the camera. Do not look at this light. Okay? You ready? Mm-hmm. You looking at the camera, right? Mm-hmm. You see this thing?
Yes.
Okay. Let me push it down.
I'm scared.
I'm scared of what?
I don't know.
It's not gonna do nothing. You might need to get on this side. Can you see what I'm doing?
Kind of. Not really.
Get behind me.
Right here?
Yeah, behind my back. Right there.
I can't still see. Oh, there.
You ready?
Mm-hmm. Recording it.
It's not gonna do nothing. Did you get it?
Yeah, but not up close. I got like right there.
Are you recording?
Mm-hmm.
Let me see. Alright guys, my daughter is scared, so I just tacked it right there a little bit, and I can't see, so I can't really see what I'm doing. So I'm gonna try to get it tacked down and I'll turn y'all back on. Alright guys, it's just too hard to weld this with my eyes closed. I mean, I tried, but I was gonna weld it all the way around with my eyes closed. I started on this other side. Hold on. Turn this light on. But yeah, I started on this other side trying to get it, but nah. I'm gonna end up hurting my eyes or doing something. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just put self-tappers for now, and I'm gonna take measurements off the new radiator, make sure it don't hit anything. But we should be good because it's gonna sit up on the mounts. So that's the game plan right now, guys. Let me turn this headlight out while I face y'all this way. But we got everything coming together. It's coming together, guys. I can't wait to get this thing running, get this thing started, and yeah, it's gonna be pretty cool, man. This is gonna be the first 1972 Buick where I live with an LS swap, so pretty exciting. I'm excited. I'm ready to get it going. Alright, I got that knocked out. So I don't know if I'm gonna rebuild the radiator to y'all tonight or not, but we'll see. I think it's gonna be enough. We'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.